In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all Gmail accounts associated with your name. If you've ever wondered about how many email addresses you have linked to your name, or if you're managing multiple accounts, this guide will simplify that process for you. Let's get started and explore some useful steps. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open a browser and navigate to Google Search. Once there, you should type in "How to find all Gmail accounts in my name" and hit enter. This search query will provide you with various resources and links that can help you track those Gmail accounts. It's helpful to be as specific as possible with your search terms to filter the most relevant results. After the search results load, skim through them to find an article or guide that tempts with promising information. A useful guide should explain the necessary steps in clear and understandable language, allowing you to follow through seamlessly. Each article may provide a slightly different approach, which can be advantageous as it gives you multiple strategies to try. Once you've chosen a reliable guide, click the link to open it. This action will take you to a detailed page where you will likely find comprehensive instructions on how to track all Gmail accounts under your name. Typically, these guides will offer tips such as checking your browser's saved passwords or using Google's account recovery tool for information on linked accounts. Take your time to read through the content thoroughly, ensuring you grasp the instructions to avoid any potential oversight. Now, make sure to have some key details at hand. These might include your frequently used email addresses, any old or less used accounts, and personal information commonly associated with account signups. Having this information ready can streamline the process, as many recovery processes request verification of such personal details. While working through these steps, bear in mind that tracking accounts might also be subject to privacy and security protocols. Google's systems are designed to protect users' privacy, so you may need to authenticate your identity in various ways. This is where having personal data at hand is especially helpful. Throughout the process, take notes or bookmark helpful pages for future reference. It's always beneficial to have a go-to resource handy for managing and organizing your online presence. Lastly, if manual searching doesn't yield the desired results, you might consider reaching out to Google's customer support for additional assistance. They can guide you further on managing and accessing multiple accounts more efficiently. And there you have it, a clear path to tracking all your Gmail accounts linked to your name. Remember, maintaining organized records of your email accounts is essential for better digital management and security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.